Setting off with the name of Allah Almighty, the most merciful and the most beneficent, who loves us more than 70 mothers. Allah Almighty is the creator of you, me, and this whole gigantic cosmos by the grace of our beloved Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Respectable leader, director, and shimmering stars of Habib Sinul's Academy, Assalamu alaikum. So today our topic under discussion is the education. Basically, we have been learning from our teachers that education is the third eye of human. Get education from cradle to grave. But unfortunately, we have made education a kind of fashion. For what is the purpose of getting education? How does education bring light in our lives? This is the point of view. This should be the point of view of everybody. For what do we get education? What is the purpose for which we are going to get education? Whenever somebody asks from us, what's your aim? Someone says that I wanna be CSS officer. I would like to be a doctor. I would like to be an engineer. But no one said that I want to be a good human being. When someone starts getting education, the first thing on which education affects is the behavior. Is the character on which means through which the education changes our behavior and our character. These are the basic things through the education. These two things are changed. But unfortunately, our behaviors and our character change, but negatively. If we learn a few words, we become very much arrogant. We say there is no one like us, we are matchless. No one is of our competition. My dear fellows, education brings the light in our behavior. But it brings the light. But we take that light to the darkness. The light is brought into our character. But we ourselves turn off that light. By being very much arrogant, there is no one like us, we are matchless. No one can speak about us. No one has words, means we are the greatest people. My dear fellows, learning a few words, do not forget your status. What you were before and what you are now. Get education from cradle to grave. Our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, has said. We have been learning this since our childhood. We have been acknowledging this on every wall of our school or our academies or institutes. Means good quotations are written. More means the things which are going to teach us are written. But there is no one to act upon on these. There is no one to follow those. If it is time to deliver lecture, there is no one, the motivational speaker like me. But the time of acting comes, our position is zero. We are in the last line. This is our status. This is our situation. This is our condition. How do we pass lives? One of our principal was visit. Means it was our school time. He was on the visit. So he suddenly entered in our class. As the teachers start delivering lectures on the basic things about education, they encourage us to be fond of education. So while his delivery of lecture, a fighter jet was flying in the sky. You know that how much fighter jets are noisy. Means when they are started, so they make lots of noise. So the fighter jet means gradually when it started, when it was to take off, so the sound increased, the noise of it increased. When it crossed, our principal gave us I can say that the best lesson of my life. He said that when this fighter jet was to take off, its sound was before low. Gradually, bit by bit, its voice increased very much. So we were unable to listen each other's voice. Same is the condition of the educated poor people. If someone says that this is so agree with it. If you said that I don't agree, so you stuck yourself. You stuck yourself means it would keep on increasing. The talking would increase gradually, and soon he would start misbehaving with you. He would soon starting misbehaving with you. This is difference between educated poor and an educated person. If he is educated, if he said something like this, he would say it's okay, I am agree with you. What would happen? The matter would close. He would be satisfied. You would be satisfied with yourself. Before some days, quotation was on trend that life is too short to argue. Say bhale and step forward. Means it is a thing which we all have to act upon in our lives. So do not let yourself beg. Do not let yourself beg in good deeds. Try to do such things which are for the betterment of your society, which are for the improvement of your family, the environment where you live. Try to bring creativities. Do such activities through which the lives of the people may change, through which someone may learn anything from you. We have to become such person. Being a student, we have also to be a tutor. Being a teacher, we have to create such environment in which everybody is equal. Our Holy Prophet peace be upon him said that neither black is inferior nor the white is superior. We all are equal and are the offspring of Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. Our Holy Prophet peace be upon him said, the environment where we live, we meet the people who belong to every field. We meet middle class, we meet poor class. It is our responsibility. It is our responsibility that we have to take them up. We have to become their support. We have to support them in everything, whether financially or in education. There must be other support which we have to give to our people who live around us. My dears, the best person isn't that who passes his life luxury, lavishly. The best person is that who sacrifices himself, who sacrifices his wishes, who sacrifices everything which is of his for the poor people. The best is the one who takes everybody with himself. The best isn't that who only takes himself, who only gets progressing. So my dear fellows, nothing is difficult. Yeah, if we start something new, so it is going to be hard for us. It is going to hard for us. Try to bring the people on the righteous path, which should be useful for them. It shouldn't happen that someone says that जब वो आए तो कुछ कहना नहीं, बस देखना उन्हें गौर से, जिन्हें मंजिलों पे खबर हुई कि ये रास्ता ही कोई और था. Thank you very much.